Your credit score can feel like a secret number controlling rent, cars, cards, and even confidence. But it is not magic. It is simply a financial report card, and report cards can be corrected with action, starting today. Fast does not mean fake. Fast means removing errors, stopping damage, lowering balances, and proving stability quickly. The legal path is boring, documented, repeatable, and far stronger than tricks ever sold online. Ignore scammers. If someone promises a new identity, secret number, guaranteed deletion, or instant perfect credit, walk away. Real repair starts with truth, patience, and moves that lenders can actually verify in writing. Demand written proof. Your score begins with 3 reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnit. They may not match. One wrong account, late payment, address, or balance can quietly pull your life backwards today without warning. Check them all. Start by pulling every report, not just checking an app score. Download copies, save PDFs, and mark the date. You cannot fix what you only glanced at between notifications once in panic. Save everything carefully. Look for accounts you do not recognize, wrong balances, duplicate collections, incorrect late payments, mixed names, old addresses, and debts past reporting limits. Circle suspicious items before touching anything else. Review immediately. Create one credit folder today. Add statements, receipts, payment confirmations, letters, screenshots, identity verifications, and notes. Your strongest weapon is proof organized so clearly nobody can pretend confusion during review. Dispute errors in writing with the bureau and the company reporting them. Explain what is wrong, why it is wrong, and attach copies of proof. Keep originals safely stored at home. Save every dispute copy for your records. Do not write emotional letters. Write clean facts. Say the account number, the mistake, the evidence, and the requested correction. Bureaus process evidence faster than anger, threats, or dramatic storytelling ever will. Evidence wins faster. Track every dispute like a business case. Record dates sent, confirmation numbers, documents, responses, and deadlines. Credit repair becomes powerful when nothing disappears into memory. Track everything from day one. Collections hurt, but not every collection is valid. Before paying, verify the debt, collector, amount, dates, and ownership. Paying the wrong collector wastes money, leaving damage. Confirm everything before payment clears. If a collection is valid, negotiate carefully. Ask whether they can update, settle, or delete after payment. But get any promise in writing before sending money. Verbal hope is expensive here. Never trust verbal promises. Payment history is the heavyweight. One late payment can sting for years. Your fastest protection is automatic minimum payments on every account, even while you manually pay extra each month. Every month, without excuses. Set autopay for minimums today, then schedule a second payment day. Minimum autopay prevents disaster. Extra payments reduce balances. Together, they protect your score from forgetfulness and chaos later. Credit utilization is simple but brutal. Using too much available credit makes lenders nervous, even if you pay eventually. Lower reported balances can help scores move faster than waiting around hopelessly. Watch the next cycle. List every card balance and limit. Divide balance by limit. Attack the highest percentage first, not always the biggest dollar amount. The score often reacts to percentages, not pride alone. Percentages can move scores faster. Your card may report before your due date. Paying after the statement closes can still show a high balance. Learn the statement date, then pay early enough to report lower numbers. Lower numbers matter early. Instead of one monthly payment, make smaller payments after each paycheck. This lowers the balance before reporting, reduces interest, and turns credit repair into a rhythm instead of panic mode. Repeat this every pay period. Now audit microtransactions, trials, upgrades, delivery memberships, tips, fees, and forgotten subscriptions quietly steal cash that could lower debt or protect payments this month. Redirect those dollars before they vanish. Open the last 90 days of statements. Highlight every charge under $20. Small charges hide because they feel harmless alone. Together, they can be your missing credit repair money. It was there all along. Cancel anything you forgot, barely use, or joined from pressure. Do not debate every dollar emotionally. If it does not protect income, health, or essential life, cut it immediately. Cut it without guilt right now. Move canceled subscription money directly toward balances or savings the same day. If you leave it in checking, lifestyle creep will quietly spend your progress before you notice anything changed. Move it before temptation returns. Credit repair fails when one surprise bill forces another late payment. Build a tiny emergency fund while repairing debt. Even $50 creates breathing room between crisis and credit damage later. Emergencies arrive without warning. Automate savings right after income arrives. Even $5 matters. The point is not size at first. The point is teaching your account to protect you every single payday again. Protect yourself before spending again. Map every bill on one calendar. Rent, cards, loans, utilities, insurance, phone, subscriptions belong there. Credit damage happens because bills attack from different directions at once. See the whole month clearly first. If due dates crush one paycheck, call lenders and ask about moving dates. Align bills with income. Sometimes credit repair begins by changing the timing, not the amount owed. One calm phone call can help. While repairing credit, stop applying randomly. Hard inquiries and new accounts can weaken your profile. Only apply when the account solves a specific problem you already planned in advance. Plan before another lender judges you. Do not close old cards just because they annoy you. Age and available credit can matter more than you think. If there is no fee, keep them open and use them lightly. Let history keep working quietly for you over time. If your credit is thin or damaged, a secured card can help rebuild. Use it for one small bill, pay it early, and never treat the limit like income again. Prove better habits steadily now, month after month, until lenders trust you again. Becoming an authorized user can help only if the account is clean, old, and low balance and consistently paid. If that person pays late, their mistake can become your problem too. Risk travels with borrowed account history. 2. Some services report rent payments to credit biases. This can help thin files, but check fees, bureau coverage, and landlord participation before expecting score movement from rent. Never assume automatic benefits from rent. If you have one honest late payment, ask for goodwill removal. Explain briefly, show responsibility, and request mercy. It is not guaranteed, but respectful persistence sometimes works. Honest stories sometimes earn real mercy. Pay for delete is possible with some collectors, impossible with others, and never something to assume. If offered, get written confirmation before payment, and save every record carefully. Paperwork beats wishful thinking every single time. For emotions, smallest balance feels motivating. For score impact, highest utilization may help faster. Choose the method that keeps you consistent, because quitting helps nobody today. Consistency matters through the hard weeks ahead. High-interest debt is a fire. Your credit score matters, but interest steals real money every month. Lowering balances protects both your score and your future choices. Every saved dollar removes more pressure from tomorrow. A credit budget is not punishment. It is a defense plan. Give every dollar a job. Bills, minimum payments, extra debt, emergency savings, food, transportation, and survival. Your situation is never hopeless or shameful forever. Pick a 30-day reset. No random shopping, no subscriptions, no emotional upgrades. Every saved dollar lowers balances or strengthens the emergency fund against future chaos. Prove real control to yourself again today. Score apps are useful, but they are not the whole truth. Different lenders use different models. Focus on report accuracy and habits, not daily emotional score watching. Daily watching can make normal progress feel broken. If accounts appear that you never opened, treat it seriously. Consider freezing credit, filing identity theft reports, and disputing fraud quickly. Silence lets someone else's crime become your burden. Stop the damage from spreading further. Every call needs notes. Write date, representative name, phone number, promise made, and next step. If something goes wrong, your notes become evidence, not memory. Notes protect you when company stories change. Never pay up front for magic deletions. Never lie on applications. Never use fake numbers. Legal credit repair may feel slower, but illegal shortcuts can destroy far more than scores. Protect your legal life as well. Weekly, review balances, due dates, disputes, savings, and subscriptions. 15 minutes can prevent late payments, catch fraud, and keep your plan alive. Small reviews prevent another expensive setback from growing again. Create a visible scoreboard, track paid balances, deleted errors, on-time payments, saved dollars, and canceled leaks. Progress becomes addictive when your brain can see proof daily. Visible proof keeps your motivation alive at night. People may pressure you to spend while you repair credit. Practice saying no without explaining everything. Protecting your financial future is not rude, it is adulthood. Your plan does not need other people's public permission. Some changes help quickly, especially corrected errors and lower balances. Other damage takes time. The fastest legal repair is doing boring things consistently without creating new wounds. Protect every future application you make. First 30 days, audit and dispute. 60 days, lower utilization and automate payments. 90 days, build savings and keep reports clean. Fast credit repair is structured pressure. Repeat weekly until your money feels controlled again. Your new identity is not a fake number. It is someone who pays early, tracks proof, cuts leaks, saves automatically, and refuses financial chaos disguised as convenience. Let every paycheck enter your life safely again. Credit is not your worth, but it affects your options. Fix it legally, protect it daily, and use small dollars as soldiers fighting for freedom. Choose freedom one decision at a time, even when progress feels slow and imperfect today.